I know why I want to write, and I know why I want to write this book. So why can't I finish my books? Now, this is something that I hear from writers all the time, because let's face it, a lot of times when we're first starting out, we're drilled and told you got to know your why you're writing and why this book, and why your why is important. The truth is, it's not enough, because a lot of times we think when we find our why, everything's going to fall into place and everything's wonderful, but the truth is, it's not enough, right? Hi, I'm Elke. I'm an author and a book coach, and I help fiction writers stay focused with accountability and support. Now, oh my gosh, I just completely lost my train of thought. Sorry. Okay, so getting back to what I was saying about knowing your why, because we think we know our why, we know what book we're going to write, and everything is going to fall wonderfully into place, and it doesn't. But the truth is, the reason why your why isn't enough is because if you're struggling with fear, doubt, or you just aren't, you have a sucky mindset around either your skills as a writer or within yourself, then the truth is the best why really isn't going to help you if you're struggling with your mindset. And the truth is, mindset is really something that you need, that is so important, and I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why. Okay? The first is writing is work, right? A lot of times we think because we're creative and it's got to flow and it's going to be wonderful and it's going to be butterflies. And if it's not like that and we don't get in the flow, then there's something wrong with us, or we're not doing something right. Now, while that's sometimes true, oftentimes what it is, it's an underlying problem, which it's our minds and what we're thinking about and what is going on in our heads. Right? And that is what is blocking us creatively, not the creative process itself. So the second reason why you need a strong mindset is that your mindset is really going to help you get through the difficult times of writing your story, because you understand that it's part of the process, right? And being able to maneuver through those challenges and those issues, and that you understand when you have a strong mindset, you understand that it's really not about you, that it's part of the process, and that you really have everything that you need inside of you to write your book. And anything that you don't know are things that you can learn, right? And the third reason to have a strong mindset is that it allows you to focus on the journey. I'm going to slow down my talking because I know I'm talking really fast. I always get excited when I'm talking about mindset. So it allows you to enjoy the journey of writing and to recognize that dealing with your mindset is part of the process and part of the journey. And because you understand that, you focus on the fact that, yep, this is part of the journey, and you're looking for solutions instead of focusing on the problems and why you're not good enough and why your writing isn't good enough, because you understand that, hey, I know this is part of the process, and I know that I deal with this specific fear, doubt, and hey, because I have a strong mindset, I know how to deal with those issues as they come up. Because the truth is, without a really strong mindset, you can know your why till the cows come home, but is really not going to get you to where you want to get, which is a finished book. So I'd love to hear from you in the comments what fears, doubts, or other writing blocks are keeping you from writing. All right, and thanks so much for tuning in, and stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to talk about how to reboot your mindset, and how rebooting your mindset can actually help you to write consistently. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.